have some here, some beads on a string that I'm stringing. So I'm basically going to show you how you could add jewelry to your face mask. You could add many different things. It could be beads. This one, what I'm thinking about is doing like this. See, putting it along the base. See that? That's an option you can do. So what I'm doing is putting the beads on the string. That's it. Not finished. I just want to show you. It's just stringing some beads, and then I'm gonna put some glue along the base here, and I will glue them right on, and that will give your mask a little. Let me show you. See, a little shimmer, holding it in place. Show you how, if you don't want your face mask to look nice and plain, you could add jewelry to it. So like this is some fabric I have here, you know, to make tassel earrings. So all you have to do is glue it along the base here, measure it along to it. And look, this is another extension, a little embellishment. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I'm just showing you things you could add to your face mask to make it pop, you know. Or you could do that. See that? And all you would do is just put some glue along the base of the strip and glue it right on it. If you don't want to put on a strip, glue along the base of this and just follow along. I'll show you that in another video. Or you want to add some beads, just put a string on the beads, and you could do this. If you along the base of the center right here, you could do that here if you want. Put some beads. See that? And that would be really pretty on your face mask. Or you can glue some along the base of it. Just give me some ideas of how you can embellish your face mask. You don't have to if you don't want to. But see that? You put it right here in the center of it. And we'll glue it. Some beads. Put it on the string. Put the glue here. And just put it here, hold it in place, allowing it to get to dry. And there's all kinds of beads. Here's some other set of beads that I have. Same thing. All of the smaller beads. Maybe use some smaller beads. These are some black ones I have. See how tiny these are? Some black tiny ones. If you want to stay neutral. But you can use many different things. So you could use beads. You could use fabric tassel string. Hold on. You could also use sequins, as I did on my previous mask, with some sequins, either along the base here, or under here, wherever you like. You could also use buttons. This one is going to be big, but you can find buttons, smaller buttons. You could add buttons to your mask, embellish it with buttons all around. You know, this one is big, but I'm just showing you. Put buttons all around. Put buttons along your mask. Either you could glue them. See? You could glue buttons if you want on here, or you could put them on the string, like I showed you on the string. Let me show you. Put them on the string. See? Put them. Just showing you. Get another color. Put them on the string. And if you want, put them on the string, we'll keep them in place. And you glue them on the base. Whatever you want. You don't have to use this, so I use smaller buttons if it looks too big and tacky. But I'm just showing how you could embellish your mask in many variety ways. And that's it. Using jewelry, little trinkets, buttons, beads, sequins to embellish your mask. And that's it, my friends. Till next time.